Alright, we made it home. Here's Mr. Callan.
Hey, buddy.
Snuggling with Daddy.
First time outside.
First time in the
Go meet your big sister. Should be interesting.
rainy outside world. My reach is falling apart. See how this goes. Ouch. Knock knock, we're home people. Whoops. Oh well. Fix that later.
Hi. This is your baby brother.
Oh.
Yeah.
Go sit down. Go sit down. Look at your baby brother.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oopsies.
Wow.
Look, he's looking at you.
She said, Callan.
Do you like him? You gotta hold him? Can you sit up here?
Yeah. Yeah, Mom. Baby Callan.
Baby Callan.
Okay.
Mom, can you get the camera out?
Hi. Look at mommy. Wave to mommy. Yeah, mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Cammy. Are you holding your baby brother?
Oh.
Can you give Callan a kiss on the head?
Mom, can you get the camera out? Oh. Good kisses. So gentle.
It's your own real baby.
Baby.
It's your baby.
Baby.
It's your baby.
See, baby Callan, we've been waiting a long time for you.